So this is the very first headphones by Sonos. You might have heard a lot of good things about it, but there's one bad thing that you need to know. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So let me just start the video by saying that I love everything that Sonos did to this very first headphone. But there's one thing that I really hate, and that is this thing. So the casing has this Alcantara-like texture on the outside, and it's not something that's nice to touch because it feels very slippery, and because the case is white in color, it gets dirty very easily. The next thing about it that I don't like is the zip. It's hard to hold, hard to pull, and also the zippers are very tight. There's no handle or gap on the opening, hence it is very hard to open the case. And lastly, Sonos reads Sonos even though it is upside down. You actually don't know which one is the right side to open the case. But that's about it. Let me talk about all the things I love about this thing. So when it comes to the Sonos Ace design, I would like to say that it looks really good, it looks very premium, and at the same time it feels very fluffy and very soft. Hence, the first impression that it gives me and also many people that I've talked to is it's very comfortable and it feels really good in the hands. So if you ask me how premium and how good this feels, I would say that this sits precisely in between the AirPods Max and also the Sony XM5. Look at this stem. It is actually very premium looking, and the overall feeling about it, it feels nice. It's just like the AirPods Max, and it's closer to the XM5 when it comes to the comfort and also how light it is. When it comes to controls, they've also done right by omitting touch panels and using physical keys. Because I, as a user, I actually prefer physical buttons and keys more than touch panels. Now at the back here, there is actually a slider called Content Key. That is done very well because it's so easy to use. Push up, increase volume, push down, decrease volume, press in for actions, for example, picking up a call, muting a song, and so on. There's also another button down here to enable noise cancellation and also awareness. That basically means if you want to enable it, just press one time, press it again to disable noise cancellation. I also love the way they designed the headphones so that it's easily for us to identify the left and right side. So for example, on the handle here, there's actually a slope whereby we can actually place our thumb to identify that this is the side that's facing our face. Even the ear cups are of different color. One side is green and one side is white, so you know which side is left and which side is right. Speaking of ear cups, these are actually vegan leather, okay? It feels very comfortable, very nice to wear, but sometimes when you are wearing it on a hot day, you might actually sweat a little bit and it might get a little bit sticky. So I wish it's made of mesh material like the AirPods Max, but I'm not complaining because I'm really enjoying how comfortable this is. And these are also removable via magnets, so in case you want to change it, you can just easily take them off and change it with a new one. So how does it sound? Well, I would say that it's very full, it's very solid. It might not sound as bassy as I expected it to be, but we can always control the equalizer from the Sonos app. The noise cancellation works very well also, although sometimes I can still hear the sounds from outside when it's a very noisy surrounding, but I actually brought it up to the plane just to try whether it is able to remove the noise in the cabin or not. So during my experience, I actually plug it into the plane to play music and also watch videos from the TV screen on the plane. It was able to remove, I would say, 80% of the noise, but I can still hear a little bit of the cabin noise around me, which I would consider it not bad, okay? And because the power can actually last very long, I basically don't have to charge this at all from my flight from Malaysia all the way to the US and back. So that's amazing when it comes to battery power. So in conclusion, I would say audio-wise, sounds amazing. Noise cancellation is probably 80% amazing. The transparency is also very good. It does not sound very robotic because the Sony one sounds very robotic. This one sounds rather natural. And when it comes to the mic, okay, I've also recorded a voice using the mic so you can actually hear how good it sounds when you're using it for a call. and here you go. Okay, so this is a voice recording using the Sonos Ace in front of a cafe. This is how it sounds like. Now, if you have researched about the Sonos Ace, you know they also have this special feature whereby they can actually transfer the audio from a Sonos Arc soundbar to these headphones so you don't disturb your family members when you're watching movie at home, okay? I can't demonstrate that to you because I don't have a Sonos Arc here, but based on my experience at the launch, it worked very well, transferring the audio from the soundbar to the headphones. So price-wise, this thing is of the premium side, okay, because it is 2299 ringgit, very close to the AirPods Max price. And again, if I compare it between the AirPods Max and the Sony XM5, this pricing actually sits right in between as well, okay? So it depends on what kind of stuff you like, what kind of pricing you want to pay. Go and check it out at the store before you make your purchase. This thing comes in two colors, black and also soft white. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope what I just shared is able to help you decide whether to buy the Sonos Ace or not, okay? I really love it. I am using it every day, so that's all I can say for now. If you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and follow me on all the social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!